Welcome back to day 7 of our 30-day decluttering challenge. Today's going to be fun and weird. We are doing our socks and underwear and bras. And this is so important because I cannot tell you how much time I waste in the morning. Like every few seconds counts looking for ones I actually like. And what do I do when I find one I don't like? I put it back in the drawer to play that game over tomorrow. It's like roulette. It's like bra and underwear roulette. And we are stopping the madness today. So move to that space. We only have to spend 5 minutes and find 5 things. So set your timer on your mark, get set, go. Let's declutter. Okay, I'm gonna start with bras because here's the thing. I am not a morning person. I'm groggy in the morning. I'm miserable. I'm just not looking forward to sunlight or having to go to work. And I come to this hot mess sandwich, let's not go there, of a drawer, and I'll pull out a bra and I'll be like, oh yeah, this is the one where the underwires are broken. And for some reason, my brain does not think to declutter it. I just shove it back in and look for one I like. And these precious seconds are adding frustration. It's friction to my morning. So take a second now. If you have a bra with that underwire that's busted or one's missing and you got one boob down here and one boob up here, you're never wearing that bra. Let it go. That's what happened with this one. I've worn it because I didn't realize, and it's going. It's just absolutely going. So this is good. But let's also talk about your underwear. If you're like me and you got pouches, I need like granny panty underwear. So I'll pull some underwear that I just got years ago from Amazon and they're fine, but things roll over. Like I want a high-waisted underwear. So instead, again, I'm rooting around for the ones I like. What a freaking epic time waste. They're leaving. Also, friends, if you have underwear that are stained or ripped or nasty, what if you fall down the stairs and you have to call an ambulance? You're not like hurt, but you're hurt enough that they have to cut the clothes off of you to see if you have any injuries. Will you be embarrassed for that hot gladiator of a paramedic to see your stained, ripped granny panties? If the answer is yes, they gotta go. Not just for the hot paramedic gladiator, but for you. You deserve to put things on your body that you feel good in. You are better than dirty, ripped, stained underwear. Enough is enough. They're leaving today. You only have to find 5. You're better than holes. You're better than rips. You're better than stains. And also, sometimes I grab these granny panties, which are excessive. If you also have underwear that you feel like insanely unsexy in, they gotta go. You don't need the floss that goes up your butt, but you should have comfortable underwear that make you feel confident under your clothes. So the excessive granny panties are leaving. Anything that's like stained or these are too small. They're going. Take 5 minutes today. It's going to make your life easier, but it's going to make you feel better about yourself. A good fitting, nice pair of underpants, man, it makes all that. Why did I? You know, when you go to La Senza and you buy a bra and they're like 5 pairs of underwear you get for $5. And I'm like, okay. And then I buy them and they're meant for 16-year-olds. And they just, I look at them and this is like, oh my, none of these are ever happening. So why am I keeping them? It doesn't matter if you have the room. These make me feel old because I can't even wear them because it's just butt floss for days. They're leaving, absolutely going. Make those decisions. Maybe you can keep a couple pairs for sexy time. But for every day, they gots to go. Okay. Feeling confident. You can move on to your socks too. If you have holy socks, if you have mismatched socks, if you bought Christmas socks and you never wear Christmas socks and they still have tags on you because I'm pretty sure your mother-in-law got them for you, why are they in your drawer? Take a few seconds. Today is the day. We only have to do this for 5 minutes. Looks like that time is up. I got rid of so much more than 5. I'm feeling excited. I'm feeling pumped. And I'm proud of myself. And I hope you're proud of yourself too. Take a picture. Maybe not of your stained, ripped granny panties, but like the overall pile of stuff that you decluttered today. And make sure you share it with the hashtag Clutterbug Declutter. I can't wait to see what you let go of. And I'll see you back here for tomorrow for a new day. Thank you guys so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. I have a story I want to share with you. This happened like 3 weeks ago. We were at our friend's house for game night because I'm a board game nerd. And I kept getting calls and text message from my kids. And then I was like, it must be an emergency. And I answered it. And all three of them are screaming. And they have a clothes hanger like this. And they're holding up a string thong. So they were putting away the laundry and a string thong, like literally it was just butt floss. There wasn't even like a triangle for the front. And they're screaming, they're like, Mom, why are you wearing this? Ah! And the fact that it's all three of them tells me that isn't theirs. It isn't my teenage girls. Thank goodness. But also, it ain't mine. Okay? I do not own a, a turquoise string thong, and I immediately look at my husband because I'm not thinking it's his. Though that could have been it. It was not my thought. It was, what ho are you bringing in this house? And I'm mad, but I don't want to start a domestic fight where I'm accusing him of cheating in front of our good friends at game night. So I'm like, be cool, man, be cool. And I'm like, well, I don't know, that's so weird. Maybe you went to a friend's house and accidentally brought back a thong. And they're like, no, that's disgusting. And I'm seething. And I'm like, well, we'll deal with it when we get home. And the rest of the night with our friends, I'm like, I will kill you to my husband inside. I really don't think that's what it was. I have no reason to ever think he was cheating on me, but also, like, I have intrusive thoughts, okay? I'm only human. We get home and he's like, Cass, you seem upset. He's like, obviously, right? And I was like, where did they come from? So he opens up Amazon and he's like, you have a nightgown that matches that color. I bet you it came with a thong and you just didn't even realize it and you just threw it in the wash as soon as you opened it, because I do that, right? You buy things from Amazon, you wash it right away. And it must have got lost in the wash and you didn't notice it and it was in the bottom of the basket. Lo and behold, that's exactly what happened. Crisis averted. It was actually my thong, which I would never wear, that I didn't even know I owned, that just got mixed in with the laundry. So, yeah, think logically, friends, and don't accuse your husband of cheating just because you find random sexy underpants in the laundry. Okay, that's all. See you guys next time.